Upgrading your rear diff cover can provide easier routine maintenance and can assist with cooling. In today's XDP install, we'll give you the rundown of the BD Diesel Differential cover, as well as get one installed on this L5P Duramax. BD Diesel's cast-to-cool covers are engineered to keep oil on your pinion gear for cooler, longer life, along with built-in cooling fans to help radiate heat. The extra capacity sump located on the bottom of the cover almost doubles the fluid capacity. The BD Diesel Differential cover features a magnetic drain plug and is gasketless, as it's machined for O-ring seal. Each differential cover comes with stainless steel hardware bolts and a reusable O-ring for a simple, leak-free installation. Add looks and function to your rear differential with the BD Diesel Differential cover. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out XDP.com today.